Click on the link below to get price. The two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a 1300W peak motor offers an impressive combination of power, comfort, and utility. This electric bike is designed with versatility in mind, making it ideal for both leisure rides and practical commuting. The standout feature is undoubtedly its powerful motor, which provides a robust peak performance of 1300W. This ensures smooth acceleration and the ability to tackle various terrains with ease, whether you're driving through urban landscapes or venturing into more rugged trails. One of the most appealing aspects of this electric bike is its spacious two-seater design. This feature allows for shared rides, making it perfect for couples or parents who want to take their children along for a fun outing. The ergonomic seating is comfortable, and the positioning of the seats ensures a pleasant ride without compromising on space. The bike's overall design is sleek, with an emphasis on both style and functionality. The large removable battery is a game-changer. With a capacity of 960Wh, it provides a generous range, allowing riders to cover long distances without the worry of running out of power. The ability to easily remove the battery is a thoughtful addition, as it allows for convenient charging at home or in the office. Performance-wise, the bike excels in delivering a stable ride, thanks to its solid frame and quality suspension system. The speed capabilities are impressive. Even at higher speeds, the bike remains stable and manageable. The responsive brakes provide assurance, enhancing safety during rides. The LED display is user-friendly, offering essential information like speed and battery level at a glance. Overall, this two-seater electric bike is a remarkable choice for those seeking an efficient, enjoyable ride, blending power, comfort, and practicality in a stylish package. Whether for daily commutes or weekend adventures, this bike stands out in the electric bike market.